Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming the low buy update for Q2, so we have a total and everything, and I am a bit not very happy with this because this is a low buy and I bought more than Q1 actually. But I bought a lot of drugstore products. I was very curious about drugstore. I wanted to test everything and I kind of did. So yeah, so let's start with the beginning. We have 17th of March, and yes, March is technically Q1, but I did film the video a bit in advance. I always do, but the last update for Q4 will be at the very end of December, and we will have a total. That is the thing that I'm looking for. So 17th of March I bought 3 things. I bought the Catrice skin glaze. Look at this one. This is almost empty. I do enjoy it. It is a glowy dream. It's nice, but you get only 15 milliliters. You are going through this one very fast, but at least it is very affordable. It's a glowy, beautiful primer. Then I bought the Catrice concealer. I bought the shade Neutral Biscuit because I wanted something a bit darker to mix it up with foundation and stuff like that, because summer is coming. I'm getting a bit of tan. This one is lovely, one of my favorite concealer, and I discovered this one. This is the Essence Lash Without Limits in brown. I absolutely love it. I love it as much as I do because it is lengthening, and as well it is a really good, beautiful color and shade of brown. And you will see that I repurchased this one actually in this Q2. So I love it. It is just great. Then on April 8th we bought 3 things as well. I went because Kiko Milano did open a store in Romania. I purchased 2 things. The lip liner. This is the Creamy Comfort Lip Liner in the shade 4. It is a bit of a pinkier shade. They didn't have the shade that I really wanted, but this one is beautiful nonetheless, and it is a great formula. It is creamy but not smeary. I like this one a lot. I tasted another one previously, something a bit more cheaper from the line. That one is awful. It was very painful to apply even. And then I bought the long-lasting eyeshadow stick. This one is in the shade 2, and it is a pinky champagne kind of shade. It's nice. It is a nice inner corner highlight, but it's not blowing me away. It's not the best shade out there. The formula is nice. I do recommend it if you want something a bit more affordable. It is nice, so I do recommend it. And lastly, I bought a lip liner from NYX. This is one of my favorite formulas in lip liners. I think my favorite formula in lip liners, and this is the shade No Equivalent, and it is a very neutrally shade. I brought this one in vacation with me, and I have another vacation. I'm actually leaving tomorrow on the 2nd of June, and I'm gonna take this one with me, and I'm gonna take these with me as well, the concealer and the mascara, because they are great products. And then on the 12th of April I bought some things from Sephora because they were having the VIB sale. I bought the lip crayon from Haus Labs. I have the shade Blush Matte. Beautiful product. It is a matte product but comfortable, looks nice. You can apply it as a crayon or as a lip pencil or whatever, however you like. It is great. I really like it, and it is matte and drying down but not uncomfortable at all. Then I purchased the Huda Beauty powder. This is my favorite powder. I did repurchase it. It's just great. I will repurchase it until they are discontinuing it because it is great. And something surprising that I bought is this one. This is the Makeup by Mario palette. I was just curious about the formula, and right now I do enjoy neutrals. As you can see, I have a bit of pink but a very small amount. I love this palette. It's so good quality. I am actually wearing it today. I have this one and the BH Cosmos palette on the eyes. It is just, they are great mattes. I love this formula. It is impeccable. I have nothing bad to say about it. It is creamy, blendable, buildable, easy to work with. It's just great. I really like it, and I'm happy that I decided to test the Makeup by Mario formula. And lastly, I purchased from the drugstore in the same day the Makeup Revolution cream bronzer. took this one in vacation with me as well. Great bronzer, very easy to apply. I'm just taking the sponge and blending this on my cheek. Looks great, wears great. It is a repurchase actually, so you know that I absolutely love it. Then on the 15th of April, I bought the skin tint from Essence. The person that doesn't need any foundation at all is buying more foundation. I actually bought 2 this time. Not great, not terrible. This one is pretty glowy. If you have dry skin, you will probably like it. If you have oily skin, you will probably hate it. I have combo skin, so I don't think this will be my summer foundation or skin tint. It's glowy. I need to apply a pretty good amount of powder and it is still pretty glowy, so it looks great on the skin, don't get me wrong. It is natural, looks beautiful, and it's stunning on the skin, but it's not the most long-lasting foundation. It's pretty slippery if you are asking me. And at the same time, I bought the Duo Lash glue for false eyelashes. I'm always repurchasing that because it is my favorite. On the 28th of April, I bought 2 things for the lips. I bought the Melt and Shine from Catrice. This is actually pretty nice. It is like a balm but in a stick format. It is pretty hydrating. It is a nice shade and it is from the drugstore. The packaging is working fine, but our drugstores always are putting some tape around the product and it's driving me bonkers because almost dropped this one because now it's messy and sticky and I hate that. But yeah, it is what it is. At least I know that nobody touched it before, so better a bit of stickiness than knowing that somebody could have opened it. So yeah, then I bought the Essence the Fake, the plumping lip filler. I didn't expect anything with this one. It was a nice color. I bought the one with cinnamon. I don't know if it has it has Oh My Nude is the name, the shade 2. Beautiful color. The color was beautiful. I was curious, but I didn't expect anything from it. But it is so lovely. I really like it. It is plumping but not painful, not a lot of pain involved, and it looks great on the lips. I really like it. Then on 30th of April, I had a big order. That was not very expensive because it was all from drugstore, Essence, and one product from Catrice. I bought a bunch of products. So we have first of all the Magic Filter from Essence. This one is a nice packaging. I like it. It is pinky and you have a pump. It's a glass bottle, good quality packaging. The product is nice, but the smell, it smells like paint. I really don't like it, but I will mix it up with other products, with foundation and stuff like that, and it will be fine, but it's not my favorite smell. And overall I think I prefer the Catrice one. This one is a bit thicker. The Catrice one is just a bit more lightweight, which I really like. Then I bought the Essence Banana powder, this one, and this is not a good product in my opinion. Sure, it is a banana powder, so it should just add some brightness to the under eye here, but okay, sure, it does that, but that is the only thing. You need to apply other powders and then put just the tiniest bit of this one on. My Huda powder is already brightening. Do I need another product for that? No, you can't set anything with this. If you have very dry skin and you don't need powder at all, sure, maybe this will work for you and this will just mattify a bit, just for the light to not reflect on foundation or stuff like that. But except that, you can't. Like I said, you can't set anything with this. Then I got a product that I took with me in vacation and I'm quite impressed about it and I didn't expect it. It is similar to the plumping product and it is the Baby Got Glow Highlighter. It's so easy to apply. I'm just putting a bit from here on my finger, tapping it out. Usually that's the way I'm applying the Charlotte Tilbury poofy products, and it's lovely. I got the shade 20 Rose and Shine, beautiful color as well, not very dark, doesn't have a cast on me, at least from what I could tell. It's stunning and it wears pretty good. I'm very happy with this one. And then I got a very bad product from Essence, so a lot of hit and misses. Like 2 products are incredible, great products, and 2 are pretty bad. This one is the Blend and Line eyeshadow stick. This is very useless. Don't waste your money on this. Somebody commented on my video with fails that is enjoying this product, which is great. I'm happy when you're buying something and you are enjoying it. That is amazing, because I practically throw away a coffee for this, and I would prefer the coffee because this is awful in my experience. So people are always having different tastes and always have different experiences, but in my experience this is not special at all. It doesn't stay in the waterline, and on the lids it is creasing, so, and it doesn't have a lot of shine or something special about it. It's just a satiny shade on the lid. A waste of money for me. And lastly, in this order, I bought the Air Blush from Catrice. This is beautiful. I really like it, but this for some reason smells not the greatest as well. I could go past that because the blush is actually really nice. It is pretty powdery though, but if you are applying a bit of setting spray or you are using your wet sponge on top of it just to blend it out a bit, it will look a bit more skin-like and it will look better. I got the Rosy Love shade, stunning glowy shade. I really like it. It is a great product. Then on 3rd of May I bought the NYX bronzer. Finally, the Buttermelt bronzer. They did release blushes as well. I will purchase them when they are available here, because NYX is always so late in Romania. It's a bit annoying. I love NYX. It's my favorite drugstore brand. This packaging is nice. This product though, not my favorite one, because it's just a bit hard to blend. It's not a fail. I don't hate it. It smells incredible. This one is just a lot more pricey than the other ones, but packaging is nice. Product is nice, but it's just too pigmented and a bit hard to blend. I bought a shade 2. Don't do that. Don't buy a darker shade. I was just thinking that it is summer, I will get a bit of tan, maybe I will use the shade 2. Don't do that. It's too pigmented for that. It is blendable, but it's not that user friendly in my opinion. Then on the 8th of May I bought 6 sponges. It is what it is. I just made an order with sponges. I bought a bunch of them for my friends as well, for me, because I love them. They are great. They are the Moop sponges. They are incredible. And then on the 8th, still the 8th of May, so the same day, I bought from Sephora the Makeup Forever foundation in the mini. This one is dark for me. It is the shade 1N14, but I wanted a darker shade just because, again, summer is coming. I want a foundation to mix it up with, and let me tell you, this foundation, 11 out of 10. It's so nice. I love it. It's long lasting, looks natural on the skin, it's not cakey. It's amazing. And I will wear it for the summer months and mix it up with a lighter concealer or something like that to create my perfect shade. It's great. Or with the Natasha Denona concealer. Oh, that could look incredible. So maybe I'm gonna do that. It will be a bulletproof combo. They will look incredible, I am sure. And then I bought the Haus Labs gloss. I was too curious about this one. I think Angelica did recommend it or something, and I was like, add to cart. This is the PhD Hybrid Lip Glaze Gloss. I have it in Cocoa. Stunning shade. Stunning formula. It is like a plushy kind of lip gloss. It's more like a, I don't want to say lip oil lip gloss formula, because lip oil is used for everything, but it's not sticky. It's more like a thicker lip oil. That is my description. It's just great. And lastly, yesterday I bought on the 30th 1st of May. The Essence mascara again, I repurchased it, it's just great. I want to have it again in my collection and just retire the old one. It's just a great mascara to have. And with this one we have a total for Q2, and that is $303.92, and that is a lot of money. That is more than I spent in Q1. So yeah, I'm gonna film Q3 in like October or something around that. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.